Hi, welcome back to It's Okay to Play with Food. Gabby here. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna share today my version of crispy chicken, guacamole, and pico de gallo. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Questions, likes, and comments are welcome. Enjoy! And here is what we're gonna need. Chicken tenders, cornflakes unsweetened, flour, cilantro or parsley if you don't like cilantro, iceberg lettuce, tortilla, ground pepper, hot pepper flakes, salt, paprika, garlic, red onion, lime, cucumber, tomatoes, an egg, and avocado. Clean and chop your lettuce. You can keep the smaller leaves whole and use them like that. Clean and chop your cilantro or parsley. Chop the onion, and we're gonna use some for pico de gallo and some for guacamole. Add some cilantro to the pico de gallo and the guacamole. For the pico de gallo, I'm gonna cube some cucumbers and tomatoes. We're gonna add salt, ground pepper, and pepper flakes, a couple of drops of olive oil, and a little bit of lime juice. Give it a mix, and the pico de gallo is ready. Let's turn to the guacamole. On top of the chopped onion and cilantro, we're gonna grate or finely chop the garlic. Season with salt, ground pepper, and pepper flakes. Pit and clean the avocado, and we're gonna cut it in smaller pieces so it's gonna be easier to work with. Add a little bit of lime juice, and with a fork, smush it until it reaches the desired consistency. Place some saran wrap directly on top of it and put it in the fridge until you're ready to serve it. Crush the cornflakes. Beat the egg and then season the flour and the egg with salt and pepper. We're gonna season the chicken on both sides with salt, ground pepper, hot pepper flakes, and paprika. We're gonna coat the chicken tenders with flour, egg, and cornflakes. In a deep pot, on medium-high heat, we're gonna put some vegetable oil, about an inch and a half, and we're gonna deep fry our chicken tenders until they're nice and golden brown. And here is our crispy chicken, guacamole, and pico de gallo. You can use tortillas or you can use the smaller leaves from the iceberg lettuce to serve it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Questions, likes, and comments are welcome. Enjoy!